Hi friends, I hope you guys are doing well and you are doing your practice also very well. And today I'm coming for a very good and a very interesting topic related to the English, because so many of people are telling like this. We are doing a lot of practice related to the English, but we don't get that kind of fluency. So how we get that fluency? So for my today's video for related to the topics of fluency, how you people got the fluency. So fluency is not come for your practice, I can say. Fluency it's come when you are speaking without hesitations and without thinking a lot, so that your fluency come like this. Whenever you are speaking any kind of topic related to any topic, particular topic. So when you speak in Hindi, like you are very speaking very good and very fluent way. But what happen when we are speaking the same thing in English? If I want to say about why you are facing a problem related to the fluency. So the main problem while you are going to be speak, so you are thinking a lot. So I just suggest that for these things, guys, if you are might be some people are not agree with these things and might be some agree, because I'm doing a practice only for this way related to the fluency. Because when I'm going to be speak, so I was not thinking a lot where I'm doing a mistake and what should I speak and what kind of vocabulary I will use. So that's the only way, because I'm not thinking. So whatever the com- coming in my mind, so I'm just speaking. So if you guys are facing a problem related to the fluency, so I must suggest that whenever you are speaking some kind of topic, relate any kind of topic, so don't think a lot. Whatever the comes in your mind, you just speak that. Okay. So if you are doing this kind of practice, talking English in the very fluent way, if you really want to this thing it's come easily. So this is the only, I can say, the actually I got only the this is the way I am following. Whatever the word and the thought is come in my mind, I just speak. So in a initial stage of your this speaking part, so I must suggest whatever your mind word is coming, you just speak. So you are continuously speaking and speaking. And one more thing, you will be observed where you are you make a video related, you put your mobile in front of you and you just record the what you are speaking. Then after that you are finding out, you will be find out where you are doing a mistake also, and where you are not feeling like a lacking of the word and the word is not coming. Because in the video you will be see yourself, your expressions also, and you can self observe yourself. So because the self observation, I can say, is the best way of improving yourself. So I must suggest that, guys, you should have to be do this kind of practice, because it's very helpful to you, and it will be improving your English also. Because whenever I connect anybody, so people are saying you are not in good in English, but the way you are speaking English, it's like you are that way, you are very fluent. I know you are making a mistake related like a grammar and all, but see, in a normal general conversations, people are not thinking about your making a mistake and the words and all that. They just want your how the way you are presenting yourself and how the way you are explaining yourself. This is the most important thing, I can say. So whenever you are doing a conversation with anybody, so I must suggest, guys, if you want to fluent, you if you want to show you yourself like a fluent talking, so I must suggest you don't hesitate what I will use for my speaking part, and any word, what kind of vocabulary I will use. Don't think about that. Seriously, if you are thinking all that now, I must suggest you will be never be become a fluent person. So I must suggest you don't uh, do this kind of practice in your initial time. Guys, I am telling this thing because I am improving only in this way. So I must suggest you guys, if you really want to improve your English conversation, so this is a very good kind of practice. So I just give the one example related. See, if you are giving any kind of topic, let's take a topic related to the traveling. Okay, so traveling, it's my topic. So I'm going to be explaining about the what kind of traveling, like a what like I'm in traveling, and what is my like and dislike. So I will be speak about that particular topic. Only you will be try in your initial time at least a 1 minute, at least a 1 minute. You just put your mobile in your front, and just talk about the topic. Like my topic is a traveling. So when, like, I'm just giving the example. So whenever I'm going for any travel purpose, so I used to go with train, because train is a very good journey, and it's a very comfortable journey for me. And actually I personally like a train journey very good. So it's a very good and safe journey for me, as my choice I'm telling. And whenever I go to any place, so I just watch how much time it will take. So by the train journey, it will be very good for me to visit any kind of place. So see, whatever what I'm not thinking a lot. Whatever the thought it's come in my mind, I'm just going to be sleep. I'm just going to be speak with you, in my video. So you just also do this kind of practice. So after one, I don't know how many days you will be take, but I must suggest you guys, if you are doing this kind of practice with yourself each and every day, so maybe it will be not take a more time to improve your fluency. Trust me, if you are doing this kind of practice. So if some people wants only the fluency, so try to do this kind of practice. For my suggestions, guys, if something you will be achieve related to your fluency, guys. And I'm only practice this kind of thing related to I just choose any kind of topic, and I talk with my own self also. Sometime any kind of topic I will choose, and I will be just speak and speak. So how much I will be speak for a particular topic, so I will be self observe myself where I'm not getting a word, where I'm doing some kind of mistake. So I will be improving myself my next video. So I must suggest, guys, you guys also doing this kind of practice for my kind of my type of people, where you want to improve your English and you want to fluent in English, and just for your enjoyment purpose you are learning the English. So I must suggest I must suggest to you, please do this kind of practice, and it will be help you if you really want to improve your fluency in English. So this is the only the video related to how we improve our fluency. So this is the very simplest and the easiest method, I can say, to improve your English. Whenever you are I know you have a lot of time, uh, not if you don't have a lot of time, so if you have a 10 minutes or the 15 minutes, give yourself for this time for your practice, for your own self, and try to do this thing at least a 1 month. And you can observe yourself how how much improve your fluency. Then whatever I'm giving the suggestion, is it's a true or false, you can self observe yourself, guys. Okay, so I hope this suggestion and this idea you guys are like this, and you guys are doing this, apply these things in your uh, practice also. So thank you so much for watching my video, and bye bye. And uh, please do a lot of practice, and improve your English, guys. Good night, bye, and take care.